But the circuit shown in the figure, E equal to 50 volt, R1 equal to 10 ohm, R2 equal to 20 ohm, R3 equal to 30 ohm, L equal to 2 millihenry. Find the current through R1 and R2 immediately after the switch S is closed. Immediately after the switch S is closed, inductor behaves like infinite resistor, so no current in this branch of R3 and L. Current will flow only through R1 and R2, and that current will be so net EMF by net resistance. So net EMF, so that is I is equal to net EMF is 50 volt, net resistance is 10 plus 20, so that equal to 50 by 30, that equal to 5 by 3 ampere. So this is the current initially, that is immediately after the switch is closed. A long time after S is closed, a long time after S is closed, the inductor behaves like a zero resistor. So current will flow through R1, R2 and also R3. Now we have to consider R3 also into account in the circuit. So R3 and R2 are in parallel. When R3 and R2 are in parallel, that is 30 and 20 are in parallel. 30 into 20 divided by 30 plus 20, that is, uh, so it is 50. So it is 6 by 5, 60 by 5. So it is 60 by 5 ohm, or else 12 ohm. So it is 12 ohm. So 12 ohm is in series with R1, that is 10. So 22. The total resistance is 22. So now the current will be, so I dash is equal to total EMF by total resistance is 22. So this many ampere. Now this current will split between R2 and R3. Say the current through R2 is I1 and the current through R3 is I3. Now you can apply current division formula between R2 and R3. So I1 is equal to R3 into I dash divided by R2 plus R3. So that is 30 into 50 divided by 22 divided by R2 plus R3 is how much? R2 plus R3 is 50. So 50 gets cancelled. You'll get 30 divided by 22 ampere. Now the remaining current you can calculate. So I2 is equal to 50 minus 30. So that is 20 by 22 ampere. So these are the currents after a long time. Immediately after S is open. Immediately after S is open. So there won't be current through R1. Whatever the current that is flowing through R3, that will flow through R2. So whatever the current that is flowing through R3, that will flow through R2. So that is 20 by 22 ampere. And a long time after S is reopened, the currents will be zero in all the resistors.